first period. Hate the scenario of a back getting a victory by faking an injury. Ano, hindi gusto.
Seriously. They hit him just below the belt line, and that's... I don't know how endowed this fellow is, but give me a break.
Only kasi he's corner man. He's shaking his head.
I think he's giving up. You know, some of the fans are really just on their feet. They're booing him. He's...
Only kasi referee Tatdasan giving him all the opportunity to stand up.
But now he's holding on to his legs. I didn't know he punched that far low. That far below the belt.
Masyado kasing mataas yung kanyang belt line, ano? Yan ang napansin natin. May kataasan.
So we're going in 5 minutes.
I think that's the fairest rule referee Tatdasan can give or enforce.
And it wasn't that hard to punch to begin with.
Masyado pong mataas ang belt line, you know? And Melindo does not have the reputation of a dirty fighter.
He's just standing there. He's not even reacting.
Come on.
Okay, can we get it on?
Because if he refuses to fight, then the referee can just call off the fight. The referee Tatdasan is still mulling.
He's really handing it up and mugging it here.
Alexis Meseñas.
And he's going to get this mouthpiece. He's going to have it washed first. And so now he has an excuse if he loses the fight.
I think referee Tatdasan is doing the right thing. Hindi siya nagpakagat.
Oh, ngayon, kaya nila lumaban. Biglang lumakas, no? And it was the end of the round, too.
Ines Guerra throwing all bounds. The opening round, titingnan po natin talaga ang ika-istorya ng labang ito.
He's trying to get sympathy from the crowd when they boo him, and he's saying, he got hit a lot below the belt,
And I think the crowd,
I don't think we're gonna get a rematch. I don't think so.
Ito mga Cebuano, alam na alam nila ang boxing.
Naman.
Kabisado nila ang
Dito
boxing.
ka pa magkakaganyan. Hindi pwede.
They know boxing. Down to the last letter. Tingnan po natin ang replay. Ito yung low blow.
Malalim talaga eh. Malalim talaga. Tapos yung suntok ni Melindo.
It's not even low. It's not even low.
Sa dibdib naman eh.
It's not even low. It wasn't even a low blow.
Let's watch this again.
Yung low blow kay Esker. Tingnan po ninyo.
Ayun oh, malalim
Yun,
talaga. Yung masakit.
Ito, tingnan natin ang angulo ni Melindo. Oh, it wasn't a low blow. It was not a low blow.
Sa dibdib eh.
Klarado yun.
Naman.